Today we have the socket LED fan light. This package comes with a socket fan light, fan blades, remote control stand, and a 3IM film pearl cotton, one E26 E27 extension rod, one screw package, and one instruction manual. Step 1, insert the blade until it clicks. Arrow should face upwards. Step 2, ensure the blade is properly installed and there's not any gaps. Step 3, install the socket extender if needed. Screw socket fan light into any standard E26 or E27 light socket. Base 3 color temperature 3000K, 45,000K, 6000K. 5 brightness settings 20%, 40%, 60%, 80%, and 100%. 3 wind speeds. The socket LED fan light. Definitely check that out and grab yours today.